Hi, it's Thomas Cook from Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX Hallmark, and here's our December 2011 and year-end Toronto real estate market report. December's average sale price was up compared to 1 year ago, and the listing inventory was higher than the year prior for the first time in 2011. We're going to talk about what's special about the December and the year-end market as we go through this month's report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics. December MLS sales totaled 4,718 houses and condominiums in all the districts. This sales number was up 7.3% from 1 year ago and came in as the third best December in TREB history. 36.2% of the market sales were condo townhouses and high-rise suites, with 1,710 units changing hands during the month. Sales for the entire year totaled 89,347 homes. That made 2011 the second best year for sales in the Toronto Real Estate Board's history after 2007. The December average sale price came in at $451,436, up 4% from 1 year ago. The average for the year was $465,412, up 7.9% from 2010. East of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 downtown TREB district, the condo sales price average was $412,843, while west of Yonge in CO1, the average was $409,572. Finding adequate homes to fill buyer demand has been a major problem all year. As you can see from the graph, brand new listings coming on the market in December were higher than last year, but about equal to 2008 and 2009, keeping up a positive trend which first began in July. December was the first month this year where the total listing inventory was actually up by over 14% from the year earlier. Otherwise, the overall listing inventory has been down every month in 2011 compared to 1 year ago, although the difference has narrowed since September. So let's hope the trend continues and more house and condo inventory shows up for the spring market, giving buyers more choices. The big number to pay attention to here is that the average sale price for 2011 was up 7.9% compared to 2010. That's lower than the 9.1% increase we saw for 2010. And lower than 2002, where we had a 9.4% increase over 2001. My feeling is that 7.9% is too high a number and it's bound to come down. But for those naysayers out there, the average year-over-year price increase since 1996 is a very moderate and sustainable 5.5%. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In December, that ratio moved down to 36.7%, a more moderate seller's market and the lowest we've seen since January. Mortgage rates have continued to be very affordable, and a 5-year fixed-term mortgage can now be had for around the 3.5% mark. Actually, one of the lenders we work with has a special rate of 2.89% now available for a 3-year term, if you're able to close by the end of this month. Call me directly at 416-531-9680 to get the lender's information. As you can see from the graph, every month this year so far has exceeded the average sale price numbers for the previous 3 years, and that's expected to continue into 2012, especially if the listing inventory remains abnormally low. Houses and condos are being sold across the Toronto Real Estate Board on average in 30 to 32 days. What has to happen for the average sale price numbers to change is either an increase in listings for sale, which would take the pressure off the supply side of the equation, or an increase in interest rates, which would make monthly payments more expensive and lower buyer demand. CMHC predicts that interest rates will remain as they are for another 9 to 12 months at the very least. They also don't know why fewer numbers of homeowners are putting their homes on the market, so we can't expect them to solve the low inventory, higher appreciation problem for us. In December, downtown condo average sale prices were up 5.2% in CO1, west of Yonge and south of Bloor, and up by 5.6% in CO8, east of Yonge and south of Bloor, compared to 1 year ago. When you compare year-over-year average numbers, both condo areas tracked the overall market average quite well. The CO1 average appreciation number was 7.1%, slightly below the TREB average, and the CO8 appreciation came in 1% over the average at 8.9%. These numbers seem to put to rest the mistaken belief that the downtown Toronto condo market is going to disintegrate and prices are going to freefall. The evidence just does not point to that at all. These sales numbers show us that whenever new inventory does come on the market, it's being absorbed within a 33 to 37 day marketing period on average. Lower inventories in both TREB districts compared to November caused the CO1 ratio of sales to listings to be 26.7%, squarely in neutral market territory, which is great for buyers obviously. And the CO8 ratio was a moderate seller's market, 37.7%. We expect there will be more new condo buildings completed and occupied in the first 2 quarters of 2012, so watch for inventory to increase slightly both east and west of Yonge. Now, affordability is the key. As long as homes remain affordable for the 70% of Toronto's residents who are homeowners, the market will stay strong and vibrant. A major component of affordability is mortgage interest rates, and the other is average sale price. Because interest rates have remained at historically low levels and are expected to remain so for at least 1 more year, and because the supply of moderately priced high-rise condominiums has risen across the GTA, the affordability indicator is still in an excellent range. If you're a first-time buyer, now's the time to plan for how you can increase your down payment with free money from the federal government. With the Home Buyer's Plan, you can add several $1,000s to your down payment by following just a few important steps. Go to freegovernmentmoneyseminar.com, that's freegovernmentmoneyseminar.com, and sign up to attend one of our free 60-minute seminars covering the complete process. A terrific opportunity for buyers to take a look at what's available in interesting neighborhoods is to join one of our market experience tours. They go out daily and are customized to specific areas of the city and price ranges. Go to dailytorontohometours.com, that's dailytorontohometours.com, and put in the ideal day and time for the tour you'd like to join. Are you a bit curious as to what most Toronto buyers and sellers are looking for and appreciate in the realtor they decide to work with? Check out whatpeoplearesayingaboutus.com. That's whatpeoplearesayingaboutus.com, and watch videos with real people telling real stories about their real estate experiences. It's almost like a reality show on TV. All the best, and check back here in early February for the January Toronto Real Estate Market Report.